Namaste. Now we will move to another topic, that is masonry. Masonry. What is meant by masonry? Any structure built by a mason, that is called masonry. So basically there are two types of masonry: brick masonry and stone masonry. First we will see the brick masonry, then we will move to stone masonry. Assume or consider this as a brick. This is only a wooden model. We have already seen the standard size of a brick is 19 by 9 by 9 centimeters. 19 by 9 by 9 centimeters. 19, 9 and 9 centimeters. This side or this face of the brick, this side or this face, in this figure, this side, that side is called structure. And this end or this end, this side or this side, in this figure, this end or the other end, that is called header. So structure, header, structure, header. So if you arrange the brick to construct any structure, it looks like this, right? Okay. These are the vertical joints coming in the vertical direction. They are called purples. Vertical joints are called purples. But these are the horizontal joints. Horizontal joints are called bed joints. Bed joints. Consider a brick and take half of its length, that is total length. If total length is L, take L by 2 in the sketch. A full brick, take L by 2, that is this point. Okay, cut into 2 pieces. Cutting into 2 pieces. Full width and half length. You see this model? Half length and full width. Half length and full width. Such a piece, that is called bat. B-A-T, bat. If the length is L by 2, it is called half bat or L by 2 bat. If the length is 3 by 4 of the total length, say 3 by 4 of the total length L and full width, it is called 3 by 4 bat. And the remaining portion, that is 1 by 4 length. So, or if the length is 1 by 4 of the total length, say L by 4 and full width, that is 1 by 4 bat. So, depends upon the length 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and half bat. Now consider a full brick. A full brick. Take width by 2. Take width by 2. This is the total width. Take width by 2 and full length. Cut into 2 pieces. Half width. Half width. Half B and full length. Cut into 2 pieces. Like this. Okay. That is half width and full length. See this model? Half width and full length. Half width and full length. Half width and full length. That is called Q-enclosure. So these are the important terms coming in a brick masonry. So first is structure. This face of the brick is called structure. This end is called header. Vertical joints are called purples. Horizontal joints are called bed joints. Then depends upon the length, there are half bat, 3 by 4 bat and 1 by 4 bat. Then half width, full length, Q-enclosure. To construct any structure, brick can be arranged in different styles, different forms. That arrangements are called bonds. Arrangements of bricks in different styles, different patterns, that is called bonds. So, first style of arrangement,
one brick, second brick, third brick. Okay, that is the first layer. Above that, the second layer, it is arranged like this. Now, here you can see structure side or structure face of the brick in the front view. Okay, this style of arrangement or this bond is called structure bond. That is the first style of arrangement or first bond, structure bond. You can see structure face of the brick.
Okay, if you draw the elevation, that is the front view of the first style of arrangement, that looks like this. So, these are the structure side or structure face of the brick. I will mark as S. Structure, structure, structure. So, this style is called structure bond. Structure bond.
If you want to draw the top view, how it will be? If you look from the top, how it will be? I am removing the second layer. Now there is only one layer, that is the first layer. This is the top. So if you draw the top view, how it will be?
If you draw the top view of the first layer, it looks like this. It continues. This is the first layer, second layer, third layer and fourth layer. Okay, this is the first style of arrangement, structure bond.
Now this is also structure bond. Okay. Now what is the drawback here? Here you see all these vertical joints, perpends are coming one above the other. So as you go on increasing the height, the structure may fail. So to avoid that, you see how I arrange the brick like this. That is to avoid the joints coming one above the other. If that is the case, here we have to use a piece. Which piece? This piece. That is half cut. So that is the use of half cut. Half. Same purpose, queen closer is also used. I will explain where this is used. So to avoid the joints coming one above the other, bat or queen closer are used. The second style of arrangement where you will be able to see the header face of the brick. You see the arrangement? You see the arrangement? You can see header face of the brick. This style of arrangement or this bond is called header bond. Here you see, to avoid the joints coming one above the other, queen closer is used. So queen closer and bat are used to close a layer in a bond. So far we have seen structure bond, header bond.
If you draw the front view, it looks like this. You will be able to see the header side or header face of the brick. So I will mark it as header face. Okay. So this style of arrangement or this bond is called header bond. Header bond. If you draw the top view of the first layer, it looks like this. First layer as well as second layer. So this will be the top view.
So how is the arrangement? How is the arrangements? First layer full of structures. Second layer full of headers. Third is full of structures. So first layer, third layer, fifth layer, seventh layer. 1, 3, 5, 7. Same style of arrangement, that is structures. 2, 4, 6, 8 layers. Same style of arrangement, that is header. Okay, this style of arrangement or this bond is called English bond. Now, if you draw the front view of the third style of arrangement, the arrangements are like this. First layer full of structures, second layer full of headers, third layer again the repetition of the first layer. This arrangement or this bond is called English bond. English bond. Now we'll see the top view of the English bond. So this is the first layer, this is the top. Okay. So if you draw the top view of the second layer, that will be like this. Top view of the second layer will be like this. Top view of the first layer. Looks like this. If you draw the top view of the second layer, that will be same as this one because the bricks are arranged like this. Now the fourth style of arrangement. How it looks like? You see, first layer structure, then header structure. Second layer also header structure header. Third layer repetition. So on the layers, it is possible to see structure as well as head. This kind of arrangement or this bond is called Flemish. If you draw the elevation, front view of the fourth style of arrangement, structure, then header, structure, then header. Second layer, header, structure, header, structure. Third layer, repetition of the first layer, structure, header, structure. Then fourth layer, repetition of the second layer. This style of arrangement or this bond is called Flemish bond. Flemish bond. Now if you draw the top view, it will be like this. If you draw the top view, it looks like this. This will continue. So these are the main four types of arrangements of brick. Structure bond, where you will be able to see the structure face of the brick. In header bond, you will be able to see the header side of the brick. And English bond, first layer full of structure. First layer can be header also. If that is the case, second layer will be structure. That's all. And Flemish bond, all the layers you will be able to see structure as well as header. Now, out of these four bonds, one bond is having a special, what you can say, special advantage or benefit. Which bond? What is the advantage? The bond is structure bond. What is the advantage? Here you see, this is only 10 centimeter. Here it is 20 centimeter. Here also 10 plus 10, 20 centimeter. Here also 10 plus 10, 20 centimeter. Okay. So if you want to construct 10 centimeter thick wall, only structure bond is possible. So where is 10 centimeter wall is used? Partition wall. What is meant by partition wall? Suppose if you want to divide a room into two, that wall can be 10 centimeter wall. So there you can use such a bond. Now out of these four bonds, which is the commonly using bond?
So whenever you see any construction, you just observe how the masons are arranging the bricks. That will be in English style. So the commonly using bond is English bond. Which is the strongest bond out of these four bonds? English bond is the strongest bond. That is why it is commonly using also. Out of these four bonds, which bond is more aesthetic? Which is having a good appearance? Appearance means you have to see the elevation. This is full of stretches, not that much good. This is full of header, not good. This is first layer structure, second layer header, not good. But this you see, one structure, one header, one structure, one header. So the arrangements of brick in Flemish bond that looks very aesthetic. So appearance wise, Flemish bond is the best. That is why if any construction is constructed or made by Flemish bond, that will not be plastered, because that itself gives some appearance. Now we will see how the English bond and Flemish bonds are arranged to construct a wall. If you consider a room, there are four corners. First corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. Now consider this corner, first corner. How to construct this corner using English bond and Flemish bond? This is called the thickness of the wall. Usually that thickness is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter, you can also say that is one brick thick. One brick thick. One brick thick means one brick thick. This much is one brick thick, that is 20 centimeter. And wall can be constructed with 1.5 brick thick. 1.5 brick thick, that is 20 plus 10, 30 centimeter thickness. I am saying 20, 10 including the cement mortar, usually 19 by 9. So plus 1 centimeter for the mortar. So 1.5 means 20 plus 10. 2 brick thick means 20 plus 20, that is 40 centimeter. So we will see the possibilities. If the thickness of the wall is 20 centimeter, if the thickness of wall is 30 centimeter, if the thickness of wall is 40 centimeter, using English bond and Flemish bond. So first we will see the English bond, and we will see the arrangements for 20 centimeter wall, 30 centimeter wall and 40 centimeter wall. Then we will move to Flemish bond. So first, arrangements of bricks in English bond. First layer full of structures, front view, structures. Second layer, header, front view, header. So what will be the second brick in the second layer? We cannot keep a header over here. So if you keep a header, this is 10. If you keep one more header, the joints will come one above the other. So to avoid the joints coming one above the other, the piece used is either back or closer. So here, since the thickness is 20 centimeter, you have to use hewn closer. So usually it is represented like this, 45 degree inclined line hatches. Okay. Then header, then header, then header, then header. Nowhere the joints won't come one above the other. So if you are not keeping this hewn closer, the joints will come one above the other. So one layer, one hewn closer is enough. If you keep one more hewn closer, again the joints will come one above the other. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Now we will move to the second layer. Second layer will be the exact repetition of the first layer. That is again structure, structure, structure. Fourth layer, repetition of the second layer. Header, hewn closer, header, 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 header. Okay. Now I will draw the side also. This is the front view elevation, side. If this is structure, if you look from the other side, which face will be visible? Will be visible header face. So header. Here header. Okay. Since second layer, this is header. If you look from the side, you will be able to see this face, that is structure. Okay. Now can you say which piece is used here? You can't keep a header over here. If you keep a header, again the joints will come over one above the other. So to avoid that, you have to use a queue enclosure here. Then header, then header, then header. Okay, here structure, structure. Same thing will repeat here. Third layer, repetition of the first layer. Header, header, header. Here structure, structure, structure. So clear? So here you can see one layer, one closer is enough. So first layer closer is coming here. Second layer closer is coming here. So this is English board. English board. Okay. Now I am drawing this corner. I will show how the bricks are arranged in this corner.
So this is the arrangement made for English board 1 brick thick for the corner of the wall. So in the front side, you can see structure, structure, structure for the first layer. Side view, you can see header, then queue enclosure, header, header, header. Top view of the English board 1 brick thick. Corner of the wall. One wall is constructed in this direction, another wall is constructed in this direction. This is inside the room and this is outside. Okay.
So I will draw an enlarged view of that corner. So in the examination you have to draw to scale. Okay. So what we want is the top view, arrangements of brick in the top view for the first layer as well as for the second layer. So first layer elevation, you can see structure. So what we want is the top view, how the top view of that brick, that will be like this. So this is the first brick. This is 20 centimeter, one brick thick 20 centimeter. Here also 20 centimeters. So first brick like this. Okay. Now either you can proceed in this direction or you can move in this direction. If you move in this direction, which is the second brick? So this is the first brick, this header and structure, header and structure. Second brick is a queue enclosure. Queue enclosure 5 centimeter width and 20 centimeter length. 5 centimeter width and 20 centimeter length. Hatch it. What is next? Header. What is next? Header. What is next? Header. So bricks are arranged like this in this direction. Then 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, it will go like that. Okay. Now if you move in this direction, what is the second brick in the elevation? That is structure. That means that brick is like this. Then only you can see structure in the elevation. So the second brick is like this. Now how to make it 20? Keep one more brick. We have already seen the top view of the English board. Next is also structure in the elevation. So the bricks are arranged like this. So this is the top view. So this is the plan or top view of one brick thick, that is 20 centimeter English board. English board. Okay. So this is 20 centimeter. In this direction, this is 5 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. Now we completed the top view of the first layer.
English board 1 brick thick, that is 20 centimeter. Second layer. Top view, you can see like this. Front. Front, you see header, queue enclosure, header, header, header. side, stretcher, stretcher, stretcher. This is inside and this is outside. So one wall is constructed in this direction, another wall is constructed in this direction.
Now the second layer. Again the same way. Draw the corner 20 centimeter. Second layer, first brick, you can see the header. That means top view, bricks are arranged like this. Then only you can see the header in the top view. So the first brick, it is arranged like this. Second is queen closer, 5 centimeter width and 20 centimeter length. Hatchet. What is next? Header, next header, next header. So the bricks are arranged like this in this direction. So you have to draw to scale. Now if you move in this direction, side you can see the structure. That means bricks are arranged like this. So to make it 20, keep one more brick here. So this will continue. So this is the plan, top view of the second layer. So here also 20 centimeter. Then write the title. This is the plan of one brick thick, that is 20 centimeter, English board. Now here, this is the plan of 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. layers. Whereas second case, this is 2, 4, 6, 8 layers. See, elevation, top view, first layer, elevation, top view, second layer, and this will continue. So this is for 20 centimeter. So this is the isometric view of the first layer arrangements of brick in English board, only for the first layer. So this is about 30 degree. So what we want is only this portion. Which make it 0 degree or tilt it. You get the required view. That is the top view. Now we will see how the bricks are arranged for 30 centimeter. That is 1.5 brick thick. So once you draw the first layer top view, just interchange the axis. That's all to get the top view for the second layer. Next is 30 centimeter. That is 1.5 brick thick wall. 30 centimeter. Thickness is increased from 20 to 30 centimeter. Whether there will be any change in the elevation. Front view, there will not be any change. Front view won't change. Front view like this only. Only the top view, thickness is increasing. So as usual, draw the corner of the wall, 30 centimeter gap like this in both directions. You can draw it to 3 centimeter and mark it as 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter, here also 30 centimeter. So first brick, structure. So in the elevation, structure. So in the plan you will be able to see that brick like this. So total is 30, so 20 it may come up to here. So either you proceed in this direction or move in this direction. If you move in this direction, next brick is a queen closer, 5 by 20 size. Next is header, header, header. So the bricks are arranged like this in this direction. 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, it will go like that. Now if you move in this direction, you can see in the elevation structure. That means the bricks are arranged like this in this direction. Okay. Up to this, it is same as our first figure because the outside appearance is same. Now, in English bond, you remember like this so that you won't commit any mistake. In English bond, if the width is 20 centimeter, keep the Q enclosure for 20 centimeter. In English bond, if the width is 30 centimeter, keep the Q enclosure for 30 centimeter. In English bond, if the width is 40 centimeter, keep the Q enclosure for 40 centimeter. In English bond, if the width is 100 meter, keep the Q enclosure for 100 meter. That should be your second step. Then you won't commit any mistake. Now here, what is the width or thickness of the wall is 30 centimeter. So next step, make the Q enclosure for 30 centimeter. Already there is a Q enclosure for 20 centimeter. How to make it 30 centimeter? Take one more Q enclosure and cut into two pieces and keep that half piece here. Now the Q enclosure becomes 30 centimeter. Now the remaining arrangement is very easy. You see, already two bricks are like this. So how to make it 30? Keep one brick like this. Two bricks are like this. So how to make it 30? Keep one brick like this. Two bricks like this, keep one brick like this. Two bricks like this, keep one brick like this. That's all. Okay, that side is over. Now this side, you see, already one brick is like this. Half of it is covered by half Q enclosure. So how to make it 30 here? Keep one brick like this. Now here already one brick is like this. So how to make it 30? Keep two bricks like this. So that will continue. So that's all. So this is the plan of first layer, third layer, fifth layer, seventh layer, etc. layers of 1.5 brick thick. 1.5 brick thick, that is 30 centimeter English board. English board. That's all. Now we have to move to the second layer. So as usual, draw the corner of the wall in 3 centimeter gap like this and mark it as 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Here also 30 centimeter. Now second layer, elevation. You can see the header, then Q enclosure, header, 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 header. So the arrangements of brick in this direction, arrangements of brick for the second layer. First is like this. Second layer elevation, you can see Q enclosure. Then bricks are arranged like this in this direction. So that's all. Now if you move in this direction, you can see structures, side view structure. That means the bricks are arranged like this. Now next step, remember in English bond, if the width is 30, make the Q enclosure for 30. So here only 20 is there, so make it 30 by keeping a half piece. Then the remaining is easy arrangement. Two bricks in this direction like this. So how to make it 30? Keep one brick like this. So here two bricks are already there. So to make it 30, keep like this. So in this direction, already half of it is covered by one half Q enclosure. So like this. So here one brick is like this. To make it 30, arrange two bricks like this. So this will continue. So this is the plan of 2, 4, 6, etc. layers of 1.5 brick thick, 1.5 brick thick English board. English board. So plan of 1, 3, 5 odd layers, plan of 2, 4, 6 even layers. Now the next is 40 centimeter. Width is increased to 40 centimeter. Again there will not be any change in the elevation. Elevation will be the same. Next is 40 centimeter. That is 2 brick thick. Whether there will be any change in the elevation? No change. Elevation, outside appearance will be the same. Only the width or thickness of the wall is increasing. So as usual, draw two lines. Two parallel lines at say 4 centimeter gap. in both direction like this, that represent the corner of the wall, and mark it clearly 40 centimeters. Here also 40 centimeters. So this is for first layer. So first layer in the elevation you can see structure. That means that brick is kept like this. Then only you can see structure in the elevation. This is the top view. Elevation structure, side header. So what is next? That is queue enclosure. So draw the queue enclosure here. 5 centimeter width and 20 centimeter length. This is the top view of the queue enclosure. Next is header in the side view. So header in the side view. That means that brick is like this. Okay. Next is also header in the side view. That means in this direction the bricks are arranged like this. Like this. Okay. So that you can see header in the side view. Header in the side. This is side. If you look from here, you will be able to see the header face of the brick. But top, you will be seeing this portion of the brick. Now, this side, you can see structures. That means the bricks are arranged like this in the top view. So that you will be able to see the structure face in the elevation. Okay. Up to this, it is same as your first figure because the elevation is the same. Now, second step, remember English bond, if the width is 40 centimeter, make the queue enclosure for 40 centimeter. Here 20 centimeter queue enclosure is there. So, how to make it 40 centimeter? Keep one more queue enclosure here. Now, the remaining is very easy. You see, one brick is like this. How to make it 40? Keep one more brick here. Similarly here. That's all. So this is the arrangement in this direction. In this direction, how to make it 40? Already one brick is like this. So how to make it 40? Either you can keep 3 bricks like this, so it will become 40, or you can arrange 2 bricks like this and 1 brick like this. So that will be the best arrangement. So arrange 2 bricks in this direction and 1 brick in this direction. The same thing will continue. So this is the plan, that is the top view plan of odd layers 1, 3, 5, etc. layers of 2 brick thick. That is 40 centimeter English board. Okay, that is for first layer. Now we will go to the second layer. So as usual, draw 2 parallel lines in both directions that represent the corner of the wall. And mark it clearly 40 centimeters. Second layer, elevation you can see header, queue enclosure, header. So arrange the brick like that. So first one, so that you can see the elevation header, then queue enclosure, then header. Okay. In this direction, side you can see structures. Structures in the side. So the top view is like this. Okay. Now second step, make the cube closer for required width. Here the width is, thickness is 40 centimeter. So the remaining is easy. So already one brick is like this. So how to make it 40? Keep one more brick like this. Okay, that side is over. This side, how to make it 40? Already one brick is like this. So keep two bricks like this and one brick like this. The same thing will continue. So that's all. So that is the plan of 2, 4, 6, etc. layers of 2 brick thick, that is 40 centimeter English board. So we have completed 6 sketches in English font. Top view 20 centimeter, 1 brick thick, first layer, second layer, 1.5 brick, that is 30 centimeter, first layer, second layer, 2 brick thick, 40 centimeter, first layer, second layer. Similarly, there are another 6 sketches for the Flemish font.